Alright, so what's up YouTube? Welcome everybody once again to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how you can improve your drawing skills. Alright, so if you would like to find out more, please make sure to subscribe, as I'm gonna be putting out a lot of these videos every week by week. So sign up. Here are the materials you'll be needing to start improving your drawing skills. First off, you'll need a sketchbook, something along these lines, you know, just make it nice. And what you're gonna do is that you're gonna take this sketchbook with you every day, all day, everywhere, all right? As it was part of your soul. If I watch you out there, I want to see a sketchbook, all right? I won't go easy on you if you don't have your sketchbook with you. You certainly you are not to leave it anywhere. All right, so that's gonna be the very first step. Second step, in order to improve your art skills, what you're going to be doing is you're going to draw everything that you see. And when I'm talking about everything, I mean everything. Everything, okay? So I'm talking about, you're going to draw your cars, you're going to draw trees, you're going to draw people, lots of people, all right? Number three, from those sketches, you're going to go ahead and now create, all right, new characters from the sketches, ideas and inspiration that you get from real life. Here are some of my own sketches. One of my characters based on a person that I saw earlier today. You're going to draw very nicely, very subtle, and then you're going to be creating those characters on your own. So, right, so there you have it. Okay, and here are some more characters as well. And this is the type of stuff that you could do on your own. So you're going to be doing this literally about for a month period. So the challenge is that for 30 days, every day, you're gonna be taking the sketchbook with you everywhere you go. You're gonna be drawing for at least 1 hour every single day for 30 days. By the end of this challenge, I know you will be a better artist. Yeah! And that's how you can improve your drawing skills. Alright guys, so thank you so much for checking out my channel. I'll see you guys next time with more awesome content and more awesome tips in terms of how you can become a better artist. See ya!